Dr. Zakir Naik's Gambia tour, hosted by the President of Gambia this October 11th, 12th and 13th, 2014. Get ready to witness eminent discourses.
Give way for our Sheikh, Dr.Zakir Naik.
On the personal invitation of the President of the Republic of Gambia, Professor Dr. Yahya Jammeh, Dr. Zakir Naik will deliver public talks, inshallah, on Saturday, 11th October 2014 at 5 p.m. Witness Dr. Zakir's insightful analysis in public.
Today, the strongest weapon is the media.
On terrorism and jihad, an Islamic perspective at Serekunda Paradise Suites Hotel, Terenga Hall. Inshallah, on Sunday, 12th October 2014 at 5 p.m. Share in Dr. Zakir's presentation of fundamental
This
facts
Quran
in public.
is the last and final testament of God.
On religion in the right perspective at Banjul Arch 22 Parade Grounds. Inshallah, on Monday, 13th October 2014 at 5 p.m. Join Dr. Zakir in his pragmatic evaluation in public
Obey Allah and obey the Messenger.
on Muslims' choice, Dawa or destruction at Kanilai, Sindola Conference Center. All public talks of Zakir Naik will be followed by an open question and answer session.
Now my question is this.
Don't miss this opportunity to attend these pioneering and dynamic public talks. Be there on October 11th, 12th and 13th. People from all religions and faiths are welcome. Dr. Zakir Naik's Gambia tour.